Hello guys, how to fix Accelerometerst exe application error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to fix this issue, at first you should type cmd in Windows search box and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute the command sfc /scan now and press enter. It will scan your system and so repair corrupted file system in your Windows 10 PC. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box and here execute the command appwiz.cpl. It will open programs and features in control panel. Here locate Microsoft Visual C++ and uninstall it. Thereafter launch your Chrome browser and in Chrome browser look for Microsoft documentation. Microsoft documentation and open first result appeared technical documentation under Microsoft. Here look for Visual Studio. Thereafter choose Visual Studio 2022 current. Thereafter go to Visual Studio language guidance and choose C++. Here you will find a download link. Click on latest supported Visual C++ downloads. And here download Microsoft C++ Visual as per your PC requirement into 86 or into 64. Click on link and download it. And check whether your application error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch run command box and type rstrui to launch system restore window. Restore system files and settings. Click on next. And here restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point and click on next. Finally confirm your restoration point and click on finish. That's all.